Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this look here, which I love it so much. I actually used a new palette today. This is the Morphe palette. I am so glad I have this palette. I used the heck out of my Morphe 35O palette, and it has the essential shades in there that I just love, like the warm peachy orange color, and then some transition colors in there, and then you have some shimmer or metallic colors in there for like the statements. Also received an eye primer that I did use for this look. Also, I don't know, okay, so my skin has been doing a whole lot better, okay? Shout out to my new skincare products. If you guys want to see what I currently use, go over to my Instagram page. I posted a picture of just I think it's not even 5 items, I don't think. I swear to you, my skin, it feels so hydrating. The mask, just go to my Instagram page and you guys will see what I'm talking about. Because my skin has gotten a lot better, I was able to use a tinted moisturizer today as my foundation, and it gave great coverage. I have the shade Rich. I have the shade Rich, and this is from First Aid Beauty. Also use their concealer and my lip color. This is from my collection, the Stacy collection. I did add a bunch of new colors to the website, and this one I'm wearing is Aphrodite, which is this one, and they are all matte. These are all. Alright guys, so I'm starting off by filling in my brows, and I'm using a brow powder. Actually, this is a powder that I will contour with, so I decided to just go ahead and use it for my brows. It's not too dark, not too light. It's just going to give it a nice little shade effect. And then once I go back and clean it up with concealer, it's going to look really nice and soft. Right into the foundation. Today I'm using the Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer by First Aid Beauty. I received this from Octoly and also was given the option to try this foundation as well as a concealer they sent me as well. So today I'm going to be using this as my foundation. Because my skin has gotten a little bit better, I feel good about wearing just the foundation. This is supposed to provide moisture throughout the day, so depending on however long you wear it, I'm going to be wearing it for at least maybe 8 hours today, but it's supposed to provide hydration to your skin as well as minimize pores. So we're going to see how that goes. I also like that the finish of this moisturizer, this tinted moisturizer, is actually like a luminous finish. So if you're looking for like that dewy sun-kissed glow, you're definitely going to achieve that with this. Using the concealer. This is called the Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer, and let me tell you, I love this concealer. Not only do I love the coverage, but the consistency is not drying. It's not a thick concealer. It's just right. I will say that you can build up the coverage if you needed to on this, but I decided just applying it this way, one layer of it was perfect. Also, I love the color of it. It's not too, like, it doesn't have like that ashy undertone. It's a really nice color for my complexion. And now for the part that I've been ready to dive in. This is the palette from Morphe. It is so pretty. I just love Morphe palettes, period. Okay, so this is their Brunch Bait palette, but first I'm gonna go ahead and use an eye primer. I also got a primer from Morphe as well. This is their eyelid primer in the shade Translucent, and as you can see, once you put it on, it is like a white color, but once you rub it in, it, you know, kind of fades away because of translucent color. I went ahead and set that with a translucent powder. So starting with the first color from the palette, I'm just gonna take this skin color here in the right corner, and this is actually gonna be the color I apply in my crease. And you can see that I was actually surprised at how deep the color is. It looks actually lighter in the palette than it does when you apply it to your skin, but it cut that crease, honey. You can see when I applied it, I was shook. So then for my next color, I'm gonna take Parfait from the same palette. This is that peachy orange color. I just love that color from the palette, and I decided to go ahead and apply that in the crease just to warm up the crease a little bit. And then after looking at it for a while, I was like, that color is pretty. So I went ahead and just applied it all over the lid as my lid color. And then we're gonna go back and we're gonna add a pop of color right in the center of that color. So the color that I went with is Milani. This is the color dead smack in the middle. It's like a rose gold peachy color. It is so pretty, and it is a metallic color. So I just applied that in the center of my lid, sort of like a halo effect. And it's just going to attract light towards the center of the eye. It is so pretty, especially when the light shines on it. It is so, so pretty. So here I'm prepping my lashes, getting ready to apply Queen Bee lashes from the Stacy collection. If you guys are interested and you love like drama or dramatic lashes, then these Queen Bees are definitely for you. They are mink lashes, and you can use them up to 20 times with proper use and care, of course, and make sure you clean them, guys.
I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining.
Alright, so now I'm taking my favorite pressed powder and I'm going to go ahead and just dust away the translucent powder that we use to set our under eye and everywhere we highlight it. This is from Radiance. You guys know I love their pressed powder, and I'm just going to sweep that away with a large fluffy brush, and then also setting the foundation at the same time. So using the contour palette from Pure Cosmetics, I'm taking the deepest shade in that palette called Mystery, and this is the perfect shade to just go ahead and carve out my cheekbones and also do a little bit of light contouring around the perimeter of the face. It's just going to give my face a little bit more dimension. I wasn't blessed with high cheekbones, but I like to pretend that I have some just by contouring and highlighting just to give it that effect. Okay, now to pick out the lip color. So I decided to go with one of my lipsticks from the Stacy collection, and I'm using the shade Aphrodite. I don't think I ever used or put that color on and also shared it with you guys on Instagram or here on YouTube. So first I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using a lip pencil from Iman. And Iman pencils are so smooth and creamy, guys. But I'm just using the pencil in the shade Cocoa and going over that with the liquid matte lipstick from the Stacy collection in the shade Aphrodite. Hope you guys enjoy this quick makeup tutorial. Definitely not hard at all. Make sure you give me a comment below and let me know what you want to see next.